ADA, which started 2021 at a price of about 18 cents, reached a peak of $3.10 in September of the same year. This was a price increase of over 1,600% in less than a year. However, Cardano's decline from its peak has been just as dramatic as its rise. The coin is currently trading about 89% lower than its all-time high price. Does this represent a good opportunity to buy Cardano, or is it a better idea to stay away from this popular coin? In this video, we'll be outlining the pros and cons of Cardano as an investment and highlight Cardano price predictions. ADA is trading significantly below its all-time high, which means that there's currently an opportunity to buy it at a relatively low price. While there is no guarantee that an asset trading far below its all-time highs will recover, the fact that ADA is down almost 90% from its peak can mean there's a solid opportunity for those who believe Cardano has long-term staying power. Despite decline from the all-time high, Cardano is still one of the biggest crypto projects out there. If we exclude stable coins, there's only 4 cryptocurrencies with a larger market capitalization than Cardano: XRP, BNB, Ethereum and Bitcoin. So, Cardano is still a very relevant player in the crypto space and could be positioned well if we see another bull run. In addition to the current ADA price being relatively low, there's also a number of fundamental reasons that could turn Cardano into a strong contender in the future. Cardano is one of the most credible competitors to Ethereum, and the Cardano protocol is regularly being improved through upgrades. Even though Cardano is still being actively developed, our price prediction algorithm is predicting more turmoil in the Cardano market in the short term. At the time of recording, the algorithm is forecasting that ADA could fall all the way to about 11 cents before beginning a recovery in the second half of 2023. In the medium term, it will be important for Cardano to start gaining more traction as a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Cardano's smart contracts functionality went live in 2021, but is still being improved gradually through upgrades. The Cardano ecosystem features different programming languages for creating smart contracts. The most notable of these is Plutus, which provides a full-stack environment based on the Haskell programming language. However, Cardano also features a domain-specific language called Marlow, which is specialized for financial contracts. We're seeing developers utilizing Cardano's smart contracts functionality to launch decentralized applications. Examples include the MinSwap multi-pool DEX, the JPEG Store NFT marketplace, the Sunday Swap DEX and the decentralized finance banking protocol, MELD. Cardano also has a lively NFT community, with the most popular NFT collections on the Cardano blockchain being SpaceBuds and Clay Nation. Despite the activity in the Cardano ecosystem, the medium-term forecast from the CoinCodex price prediction algorithm is about 38% decline in the next 6 months, which would bring the price of Cardano down to about 23 cents. The Cardano project is in active development, and we're seeing regular updates to the Cardano protocol that are meant to extend Cardano's suite of features and improve security and performance. For example, there are plans to introduce side chains which will improve Cardano's interoperability with other blockchain platforms. Cardano development firm IOG is working on an Ethereum-compatible sidechain for Cardano, and released a public testnet as a proof of concept in February 2023. To visualize the long-term plans of the Cardano project, you can check out the Cardano roadmap. The Cardano roadmap is split into 5 phases, which are sometimes called eras. Currently, most of the Cardano project's focus is centered around smart contracts functionality, so we can safely say that the project is in the Gogan era. The CoinCodex price prediction algorithm is currently forecasting a bullish future of Cardano, as it is predicting that the price of ADA will break new highs in 2024 and approach the $4 mark for the first time ever. However, you should probably temper your expectations if you're looking at extremely ambitious price targets like $100 per ADA. Unlike many other Layer 1 blockchains, Cardano is not based on Ethereum but has a completely unique architecture. This gives it some distinct advantages, but also has its downsides. Ethereum already has a strong ecosystem of development tools, which makes it relatively easy for developers to get started with building smart contracts and DApps for Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains. Cardano, on the other hand, features its own smart contracts language based on Haskell, a programming language that has a relatively small pool of developers. Blockchain developers who are accustomed to building within the Ethereum ecosystem can't simply jump over to Cardano, but need to acquire new skills first. This is limiting the growth potential of Cardano's DApp ecosystem. According to decentralized finance data aggregator DeFi Llama, Cardano's decentralized finance sector has a total value locked of only around $136 million. This puts Cardano in 19th place among all blockchains. Especially when considering that ADA is the 7th largest crypto asset by market cap, the modest size of Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is disappointing. In addition, 2023 could be a rough year from a macroeconomic perspective, as many economists are predicting a global recession to occur sometime this year. If there is indeed a widespread economic downturn, cryptocurrencies like Cardano could suffer, as risky assets are typically sold first when investors flee to safety. Per the Coin Codex price prediction algorithm, Cardano could fall to a price as low as 11 cents during the summer this year before recovering. Is Cardano a part of your crypto portfolio, and what price do you think it can reach in the long term? Let us know in the comments below. Good luck on your crypto journey.